Hello, I'm Avid. This is Online Income Network. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start using Sprizzy for free. And if you don't know what Sprizzy is, it's a website that lets you promote your YouTube ads. It's basically the same thing as Google ads or Bing ads, things like that nature, but its main focus is YouTube. So, with that being said, obviously this is a service you got to pay for, but they're also giving you a way that you can do it for free. And the way that is by doing referral marketing. Now, if you look on the screen, then you see that I'm already signed in. I have a couple campaigns down here. One I've used and spent, which is 50. The other one I haven't did anything on, but I have a balance up here at the top for 67.50. And I did not actually spend any extra money for the 67.50. This is all through getting referrals. So what I want to do is go ahead and click on this, open up this menu, and you'll see that right here it says referrals earn free views. So let's go ahead and click on that. And it says, want to earn 150 free views? Send your referral URL to fellow YouTuber creators. And right below that, I have my referral code, which is just a link. So when anybody uses that link and they actually signs up and start a campaign, then I'll get the 150 free views and they'll get 150 free views as well. It is not enough for them to just sign up. They actually have to start a campaign. So with that being said, I've had 15 people actually sign up and start a campaign, and I've earned 2250 free views. And this balance of 67.50 is, basically an estimate of what they think it is for me to get this amount of free views. So you have plenty of ways to promote this referral code that you'll have. Really the only way I actually even the only way I actually promote my referral code is by having two different videos on Sprizzy. Yeah, I guess it's about three at this point. One of them you can check out right now, which I'll have up in the card, which would be Sprizzy versus Google Ads, which one's better. And I also have one where it shows off how to actually use a Sprizzy campaign. So you can check that one out too. And really the only thing that I have to say is, because I was talking about how to actually promote it, you can see that I'm on a different video right now, but I'm in the video details. So what I would do is just, if I want to put in the referral code, I go ahead, copy and paste it, and then I could say, hey, 150 free views. I'll put a little more effort into that, but I'm not keeping this. So that's why I'm just put it like that, 150 free views, and then bam, that's it. But I would say something more along the lines of, if you want to get 153 views using Sprizzy, check this out right here. And then you have the referral code, something like that. You can also use it in a blog. You can also use it on Facebook groups or something like that. I mean, you can get creative with it, but I would say you should also check the terms and conditions, because there might be some limitations to where you can actually promote the link. So, with all that being said, hopefully you found the information useful. If you did, why don't you go ahead, like, subscribe, share with a friend, click the bell notification so you get notified when new videos come out from me. I may do videos every week. Thanks for watching.